Welcome to Series 2 of Animated Maths for All. Let's learn, grow, and excel in mathematics together. Monko, should we practice some questions on the volume of a cylinder today? Yes, exciting it will be. Let us do step-by-step timed practice. Here is our first problem. A student has a cylindrical pencil case with a 6-centimeter diameter and a 20-centimeter height. What is the maximum volume of supplies it can hold? Give your answer to the nearest whole cubic centimeter. Follow these 5 steps to find the volume. Identify the shape, extract dimensions, standardize units, apply the formula, and round and label your answer. Visualize the shape and recall the formula for volume. The pencil case is a cylinder. The formula for the volume of a cylinder is V equals pi r squared h. Now, let's identify what V, R, and H stand for in this formula. V is volume, R is radius, and H is height in the formula V equals pi r squared h. Do we know the radius here? If not, find it. The problem gives us the diameter. We need to find the radius. The diameter is 6 centimeters, so the radius is 6 divided by 2, which equals 3 centimeters. Use R equals 3 centimeters in the volume formula. Now, substitute the radius and height values into the formula to calculate the volume. The volume is calculated as pi times 3 centimeters squared times 20 centimeters. We will use 3.14159 for pi. Now, let us calculate the final value. The volume is approximately 565.4862 cubic centimeters. Now, we must round off the answer to the nearest whole cubic centimeter. The maximum volume of supply the pencil box can hold is 565 cubic centimeters. How do we round 565.4862 cubic centimeters to the nearest whole number? Since the first decimal digit is 4, we round down to 565. Let's move on to the next problem. The engineers measure the internal dimensions of a straight concrete pipe. The pipe has an internal radius of 0.5 meters and a total length of 12 meters. What is the volume of the material this pipe can transport when it is completely full? Give your answer in The pipe is a cylinder. We use the formula V equals pi r squared h. Rewrite the formula with the given values for the radius and height. The radius r is 0.5 meters, and the length, which is the height h, is 12 meters. Simplify the numbers. 0.5 times 0.5 times 12 equals 3. So the question asks for the answer in terms of pi. The volume is 3 pi cubic meters. The base area is 12.56 square meters, and the height is 10 meters. Substitute the values into the formula. Volume equals 12.56 times 10. The volume is 125.6 cubic meters. Now, tell me what happens if a rock is put into the cylindrical container.